Here is a rayon delight rich in fragrances, the herbs, the grilled chicken with skin, the spring roll dipping sauce. Here are the ingredients for 10 rolls. You can find this list and other recipes on my website, cookingwithmorgane.com. Start by marinating the chicken. Remove the 4 chicken thighs bone. Once grilled, it will be delicious. Lightly cut the flesh so that the marinade gets into it. Put them in a mixing bowl. Crush a lemongrass. Finely mince it. Cut 10 grams of ginger into chunks. Put them in a mortar. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Crush them. Then add 1/4 teaspoon of ground pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of fish sauce, 1 teaspoon of light soy sauce, and half teaspoon of dark soy sauce. Mix all. Put it with the chicken. Mix again. Let it rest for at least 1 hour. Cook 150 grams of rice noodles in boiling water for 5 minutes. Drain them. Rinse them with cold water. Let drain for 1 hour. Cut 1/4 cucumber in small sticks. 1/3 salad in small pieces. Season 1 grated carrot with 1 tablespoon of white rice vinegar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Combine all together. Now we are going to grill the chicken. Put 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan heated over medium heat. When the oil is hot, put the chicken pieces. Let them brown for 4 minutes on the meat side and 5 minutes on the skin side. Remove them and let them cool for 10 minutes before cutting them into pieces. Give some scissor cuts in the rice noodles. The rice papers have a slightly rough side and a smooth side. When rolling, the smooth side is against the table. It's just a question of aesthetics. Wet a clean cloth and wring it out. Spread it on the board. Fill a large bowl with very hot water from the tap. Quickly dip a rice paper in the water. Put it on a cloth. Add some chicken pieces, Thai basil, mint, cilantro, shiso, Vietnamese cilantro, ngorgai, vinegar carrot, bean sprouts, cucumber, salad, and rice noodles. Flap to both sides toward the center. Both sides must be straight and parallel. Roll by keeping the ingredients inside and tightening until the end. Keep them under dry clothes to prevent them from drying out. Before eating, each guest adds some crushed peanuts in his dipping sauce bowl. Bon appétit! If you don't have all the herbs, it doesn't matter. Your spring rolls will be delicious, even if they only contain mint. Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.